Did that unlock the back? Okay, it did. And if you look here, look what I did. I did a little thing, guys. Look at that.
Don't show me.
$1,000 fucking dollars, right? What did I buy? Hang on. There it is. T7i video creator kit. With a bag, with an SD card, a 64 just in case, from Best Buy, because they had a crazy deal of only $850 from the store. Usually it's about $1,000, but $850, couldn't pass that up. Couldn't pass it up. Can you put that up there? Did you pour out yours?
No. I put it down here. Mine's back there.
You did what?
My Coke is down here. Starbucks is back there.
Let me go ahead and put that there. But yeah, hang on 1 second. But yeah, keys please. I'll do official unboxing. This is just gonna go part of it. T7i creator kit. Can start vlogging with an actual camera this again. I was gonna get the G85, but then I went to Best Buy and I saw the GH4, and I knew the GH4 was better, but I didn't want to spend the $1,000 on the body only. Then I asked, I go, you know what? Do you guys have the creator kit? Because the EOS Rebels always have a creator kit. I asked, what are you looking at? Okay. I asked, you know, do you have the creator kit? He goes, yeah. So how much is that? He said, there's a sale going on. It's only $850 right now. I said, I looked at my girlfriend. I said, gave her that look where I'm probably gonna buy this look, and she was like, that's a really good deal. And I was like, sold. I'm buying it. All right, hold this for a second.
It's not really. I'm probably gonna buy this look. It's like I'm getting this. I don't care what you say. Look.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, you know, you're not showing me.
Yes, I am.
Okay, but anyways, this is relationship goals, when she can hold the camera and I can drive.
You stupid.
You're stupid. I'm gonna hit this truck.
Please don't.
Say I'm stupid again. Huh? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah. So when I get home, I'll do an official unboxing, and then I'll pull it out and show you what the quality is. And now we're going to McDonald's. So I spent $1,000 today. Again.
I'm spending like 10.
$10,000?
No.
Damn, where you get that money at? Damn.
I wish I had that money.
My girlfriend got bands. You impressed by that? In the earlier video, you saw what I'm about to show you. This is the official unboxing of it. Of the, hang on, where's the name? Boom. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i Video Creators Kit. And I got a 64 gigabyte SSD card and a carrying case that's already open. Pull this bad boy out the box. Yeah, there we go. Hey, you're not even paying attention to how it's being held. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll lift it up. The first thing you see is the SD card. Under there, we'll just lift. Camera falls out, breaks, dies, crash, dies. Okay. So here's the box. We don't need that. So one thing I did notice real quick is, can anybody tell me what this means? The difference between these ones? What's V10 and all that mean? Is that just like version 10? But this says 10 there, so what does that one mean? And I mean, the only difference is that it has V10, so I have no idea what that means. But okay, so then let's see. Do I just pull this back? Nope, it's a release, and you pull this up. There's nothing in here. You got the Rode mic. I've wanted one of these for a long time, actually. So you got the Rode mic here. If you don't know what this is, obviously it's a external microphone for the camera. It fits just like on that. You plug it into the 3.5mm headphone jack on the camera. That's cool. This is high quality. It's like $150 retail or MSRP. And then you have the camera itself. And one thing I noticed is they actually did the purple, which looks really cool. My favorite color is purple, so I like the fact that they have this in purple. I'll probably always keep this box. This is really cool. until I get like in 4 years down the road, like a 4K badass, you know, $2,000 camera. But you get your guide, your register your camera now, and then oh my god, what the? This is your manual? I'm assuming basics instruction manual. Nobody gives a shit about that. And then if you look in the box, there's all your stuff. So we'll go ahead and pull out this simple stuff first. So this is obviously catches. Sorry. Damn, this feels nice. This is your. It says it's 100 volts, but it outputs 8.4 volts. You put the battery in there and it charges. The battery unfortunately doesn't look that big, so I'm hoping I can get at least 30 minutes straight video out of it without it dying. What? You can talk. What do you want? What?
This is the battery.
I know, this is the battery charger.
I know.
That looks so small. Look at that. I think the one on my T6 was bigger. But we'll see.
Canon batteries usually last a while.
It's like 300 shots or something like that. I'm not too sure on the specs. Look, they give you this cool little... Alright, let's read this here. Let's see. It is... It doesn't tell me how big it is, actually. 1,040 milliamps. That's nothing, but I think that can equivalent to 300 photos or like 40 minutes straight video or something like that. So we'll put that in here so we don't lose that, and that's how that goes. Next you got, I'm doing the small stuff first, and I want to apologize for the barking or any noises you hear in the background. You got your strap, and these typically say what camera you have, so this one might say the 80D, because I think that's what it's called internationally, or it might say T7i, or it might say nothing. So this one actually just says EOS, and I do use this a lot. This is very, very handy. I love these. Everybody knows these, you know. The only thing I wish is it said like 80D or T7i or something right there. But, oh well. You spend 850 bucks, you expect to get what you want. Here is, now, I love the packaging on these. I love the packaging. Fucking fly. Okay, sorry about that. We had to stop it for a second. So like I was saying, I love the packaging. This right here is the kit lens that you get. And in this one, you actually only get one. In my T6, I got 2 lenses, but that wasn't the creator kit. You're pretty much just trading the $150 value of the other lens. It was like 80 to 300 or something like that. I forget. So this is pretty standard. The 18 to 55 is really standard on Canon. This is what you get. This is you just basic lens. It'll help you photos, videos, you know. It's good for it, but if you want to go into more detail or a more extensive cinematography or video, or excuse me, or photos, then I might recommend picking up a different lens. And here is the body itself, and it actually looks really big. It actually looks really big. I personally was okay with buying this one, obviously, because I bought it in this like dryer lint, cheesecloth feeling material is so cool. Have you felt this before? Feel it. I think it's so
like
cool.
A dryer sheet.
It feels awesome. And with the matte feeling of the camera, and oh my god, I just want to say, this camera is beautiful. Oh, it's broken. No, I'm just kidding. This is beautiful. It feels so much better than the G4 did. I don't know if it's worth it. We'll find out when I switch to it. Right off the bat, instantly, this is what everybody loves. The rotating screen. So I can be like this. I can have really cool angles. If I'm pointing down, I can have it like this, or I can have it all the way. So I'm recording like this. Welcome back, guys, you know, stuff like that. And I'll go ahead and switch over when I get everything laid out and ready to go. And then I'll do a non-microphone and then with the microphone so I can figure it out. And then we'll go ahead and take this off for you. If you've never seen what this looks like, this is the inside of the Canon. I would go into the specifications and details of the DSLR versus the mirror, which is what I was going to get on the G4, but that's a lot of time, and I don't have that. And you can see right here, I mean, it's just like, it's a reflector refractor type of deal, and that's what makes it a DSLR. But overall, personally, I think this feels nice. It's hefty. It's not too heavy yet, but I don't have the lens and everything on it, and the lens itself isn't that heavy, at least it feels like it. And then the mic doesn't feel like anything. So hopefully it's not too heavy. To give you sort of an overview of the camera, battery goes here, tripod mount here. On this side, you've got your USB, your HDMI, your mics here, and then here's all your USB and HDMI stuff. That's where you plug in the mic right there, obviously. This is where you put the mic on. Up here, this is where you put your flash as well. Menu info, all these buttons to just like go around the layout of the camera. This is like some sort of like the zoom. I don't know how to explain these buttons here. It just zooms in on your image, and then you've got your ISO, your camera shutter, your here's an actually designated ISO button. So I don't know, because this like changes the brightness of it, so it is ISO, but I don't know what this. What, you gotta say something?
It just changes the manual settings. It can change multiple things.
I thought they were
Usually
only for.
aperture or shutter speed.
Okay. Well, yeah, we'll say that because nice. I don't know what these two buttons here do actually. This weird looking one, and then the DISP button. I don't know what that does. And then off, on in the video. I really like this because instead of this wheel to where you have to scroll to video, you can just switch it to video and you're good to go. I like that. I'm glad they incorporated that. And yeah, so I'll pick it up when I get this all set up and ready to go. So I realized I forgot to show off the bag, and if you look over here, we actually have it all panned out because my girlfriend wanted to do shit, I forgot the name of it. Just wanted to do like an overview of everything. But this is the Low Pro camera bag. It's called the M Trekker BP 150, whatever the fuck that is. So it looks like this. It's designed to hold all kinds of stuff. It says it can hold like a camera, a tripod sort of thing, a couple lenses, a iPad. You can put your this is what that's for. I was actually curious. You can put your tripod here. If it's small enough, you can put your tripod here. Which the tripod I'm looking at is actually that exact one. So that's great. And you know, it's compact, it looks nice, it's new, I guess. This says durable, protective, Oxford. Ooh, Oxford. All that crap. It was $120, I believe. We'll start at the sides here. You've got, now I guess this is all Velcro, but you've got these pockets. They're folded in right now, so I'm just trying to hold them up to unfold them. It fits my hand and it goes pretty far. So, I mean, if you don't have enough space inside your bag, you can put your extra lenses here, or maybe your phone, or a water bottle, or whatever you're doing, you know? And they've got another one on this side, so that's very convenient. And then in the not main compartment, actually, there's one here, I didn't even know about that. So we'll unzip this. This you can put whatever you want, it's just a small. My MacBook might be too big to fit in this pocket, so I wouldn't be able to put that, and I'm assuming this is where you put like the iPad or whatever. So I'd put if it didn't fit in the main case, like my SD cards or something in here. So it's easy access, I'm ready to go. In this compartment, you fit like a big lens or something. Whatever you want to put here, maybe your mic, if it's too big, it's obviously not going to fit on the camera. But, what?
Put the body there.
No, you don't. That would be unsafe.
It has all the pattern. And the lenses going.
But hang on. So, let me know in the comments. Do you put the body here or do you put something else here? Because if we open this all the way up, and where's the other one? Where's the only one? No, there's. Oh, I guess you're right. You gotta kind of like go under. It's confusing, okay?
Can't get stolen that way.
What is this for? That's for your SD cards. That's what that's for. So, Melissa says you put the body over there, but I say you put the body here. Which, it's like big enough to fit it. So maybe you put a big lens there. Maybe you put something there. I don't, this one's...
I say lenses go in there.
This is kind of weird because look at this arch. Right here at the end. So these all come out. You Velcro it all. You can take it out. So if you need more space for a big ass lens or whatever, like I'll probably have to put that in there and take this off and just Velcro it somewhere else. Sorry, I'm hiccuping. Or, I mean, that's not really safe, but I could also do it like that to hold it in more or something. I don't know. I'm just giving you suggestions, but yeah. So that's the book bag, and you also have these, or camera bag. Sorry, these little pouches here, and this is actually the iPad, which is my MacBook can definitely fit there. Look at that. It goes from. It says it fits 7 inches, but that's pretty big. It's the entire thing, and actually. It might not fit in there. I'm gonna go get my MacBook and see if it fits. Lengthwise, it's definitely good, but we're running into an issue. I actually can force it in there with the case on, push it all the way down, and we're good to go. I personally like the snug fit because that's gonna be firm on my back, and I like that feeling, but it's gonna be a little hard to get out, as you can see. You're gonna have to just fiddle with it. But it does fit a MacBook, and that's good. Just like if you're on the go editing or something. This isn't the biggest MacBook, but I actually don't even know what size this is, to be honest with you. You see how easy that one was? And then you're good to go. But I'm personally gonna keep my case on there. But just so you know, it does fit a MacBook, and it is, the screen's this big. If that tells you anything, doesn't tell me shit, but if that tells you anything, all right. But that is going to go ahead and conclude the video. The official unboxing of the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give props to my girlfriend recording. If it was good, if it was bad, let me know. Then I'll fire her. I don't pay her nothing. I don't pay her nothing to be bad. Am I right? But with that being said, thank you for continuing to support my channel. Shout out to the Best Buy seller. I didn't get your name. I'm sorry. For subscribing to my YouTube channel and turning on the bell notification. That was pretty awesome. I forgot your YouTube channel name, so I'm sorry, or I'd put it in the description below. But if you do watch this, you can comment, and then I'll link it in the description of this video. But with that being said, stay blessed. See ya.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the quality. I can't really tell. This is not the perfect shot. It's really loud, I'm sorry. But I'm recording this before the camera dies, so I'm just getting a little shot. This is how it looks. And let me go ahead and pull up my phone so you can see what I'm looking at. I can go ahead and do this. So this is what I'm looking at. So I'm recording on this. I'm recording on this. There I am. There's the camera. There's the mic. I hope it sounds good. I hope it's blocking out that. But I can get used to this. I like this. The dog's gonna bark, so I'm sorry about that. There he goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it now. Thanks for tuning in. I love you. Stay blessed. Peace.